Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Goans return back home after battling floods in Kashmir. Holiday turns into a nightmare, say many. Rozma Chaudhary's family awaits her return. Kokoli police nab killer husband. Jayesh Naik arrested in Porvory. Admits of killing wife Jia. Medical examination on Saturday. Remand on Sunday. Demolition of heritage structure of flower market at Mapsa faces fierce opposition. Vendors question municipality. Why is this structure singled out? Bonjikars tell CCP, put things in place first, then discuss pay parking. Slam the corporation for haphazard planning. Mayor refuses to comment. And International Master S. Vijayalakshmi takes big step towards national chess title. Arjuna Award winning veteran beats top seed Padmini Raut. Goa's Ivana targets top 8 finish. Now the news in detail. Goans stuck in Kashmir flood have managed to be back home safely. Few of them narrated the tale of survival to Prudent. But Rozma Chaudhary, student of GVM's Ponda, has not returned yet. Rozma called her family members on Saturday. Rozma's family members have appealed to the government to bring back their child safe and sound.
Many Goans who were stranded in Kashmir floods have returned back home safe and sound. Art and Culture Director Prasad Loliekar and his family returned home safely after facing flood ravage in Kashmir. CCP Commissioner Sanjit Rodriguez is on his way. Mapsa Municipality's Chairperson Sandeep Fadhari's brother Harsh Fadhari and his family have returned back home safely. He shared his experiences with Prudent.
श्रीनगर एअरपोर्ट पासून एक 30-40 किलोमीटरचेर आमकां एकीकडे फ्लड वॉटर एनकाउंटर जालें. आमचे फुडें ट्रक वतालो उदकांतल्यान, पण आमचे फुडें आनी एकल्यान सुमो गाडी घातली, ताका खूबच त्रास जावपाक लागलो म्हणून आमी मागीर ते ड्रॉप केले आनी फुडें वचचें न्ही म्हणून.
हॉस्पिटल एक होतं, त्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये सगळे पाणी शिरून तिकडे सगळे म्हणजे जे तिकडे म्हणजे रोगी होते ते सगळ्यांची कुठे गेले काय पत्ता नाही.
Vibhor Keni from Madgaon told Prudent how his trekking spree at Kashmir with his friend turned into a nightmare.
And all of a sudden the things got flooded over there because of the river overflowing. We are located very close to Dal Lake, and Dal Lake came on road finally at the end of Sunday. We had our flights on Monday, so we knew that we would not be able to leave. And from Sunday onwards there was no electricity, the networks were shut off, there was no connectivity with the whole world.
Rozma Chaudhary, resident of Ponda near Jama Masjid, is still in Kashmir. Rozma, 12th standard student of GVM, had gone to Kashmir for treatment. She was staying at relatives' place. When the flood struck Kashmir and water levels started rising, Rozma moved towards Pampur Talbagh. She called her family on 5th September. Later, Rozma called on Saturday from an unknown number to convey that she is safe.
लेकिन कैसे लगा आपको? अभी फोन तो आया ना आपका बेटे का?
धीमी सी लगा जैसे बीमार है.
अभी क्या आने का सोच रहे हैं ना वहाँ पे?
मुझे आना है 15 तारीख को. कोई करे एयरपोर्ट में ड्रॉप करे, बस इतनी रिक्वेस्ट की. अभी खुश होंगी जब वो यहाँ आएगी. आप लोगों की हमें बहुत मदद मिली, इसके लिए मैं बहुत शुक्रिया आपका करती हूँ. लेकिन ये पूरा शुक्रिया तब होगा जब मैं उसको इधर आंखों से देखूँ.
अभी रोजमा का फ़ोन आया था फ्राइडे को 5:30 अराउंड. उसने बोला कि वो ठीक है, एक ओपन ग्राउंड में है, उधर के सब घर कोलैप्स हो गया है, वो बस चाहती है कि वो एयरपोर्ट तक पहुंच जाए. मैं चाहती हूँ सरकार इससे रोजमा को एयरपोर्ट तक पहुंचा दे तो ठीक है.
Rozma's family has appealed the government to help her in returning back. Union government has declared Kashmir floods as national calamity. Indian army jawans are battling every odd and fighting the nature's wrath to rescue lakhs of people. Jawans are organizing rescue operation to save the people. 4 jawans who were on their way to rescue people were gunned down by militants. This is what one of the Goenkar written from Kashmir told us on the condition of anonymity. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Kokoli police later trapped and arrested Jayesh Naik, who allegedly killed his wife on Friday morning at Kota, Bali. Jayesh was nabbed from Porvory on Saturday afternoon. he has confessed his crime. After medical examination, he will be taken for remand on Sunday. Meanwhile, final rites on deceased Jia Jayesh Naik were performed at Fatorpa crematorium.
After killing his wife at Bali on Friday morning, Jayesh Naik was not traceable. Finally, Kukadi police laid a trap and arrested Jayesh from Porvorim. Jayesh was hiding at his relative's place in Porvorim. He was arrested at around 12 noon. He was brought to Kunkalim police station where he admitted of killing his wife Jia. Jayesh Naik brutally stabbed his wife Jia at Kotta, Bali and killed her. They had a married life of 7 years with 2 children. After medical examination at Bali Health Center, Jayesh Naik will be taken for police remand on Sunday.
And after committing the offence, he was absconding. And we were searching him since yesterday. Even the whole night we were searching him at different places. And we had a lead. We got some information that he is there somewhere in Mapsa area and is planning to come towards Panjim side. So accordingly we laid a trap after Kokero circle there in Porvorim, and there we found and nabbed him.
The medical court.
Now he has been arrested in this crime, and now we are going to conduct the medical examination and further other formalities.
Meanwhile, Jia Naik's family took custody of her body. Final rites on deceased Jia were performed at Fatarpa crematorium on Saturday evening. Meanwhile, the accused in Dhondu Kudav stabbing case, Sarita Gaonkar, has been remanded to 7 days police custody. Savio Dias for Prudent.
Vendors from Mapsa market have severely opposed demolition of heritage structure of the flower market. As per the new master plan for Mapsa market, a new premises is scheduled to come up in its place. Vendors say there is no need for a new structure as the old is strong enough to sustain for the next 50 years. Vendors also cite that the structure has archaeological value as it was built during Portuguese regime. Municipality Chairperson Sandeep Falari has one reasoning for singling out the structure for demolition. It's a part of the master plan.
While Mapsa Municipal Market is all set for a major revamp, the vendors are fighting to preserve the culture and heritage of Goa. As per the master plan, the old structure where the flower market is situated at present is marked for demolition. No other structure will be demolished except this one. The shopkeepers, vendors and businessmen are up in arms against this demolition proposal as they feel there is no need for it. They say the structure is standing tall right from the Portuguese era and has an archaeological value. It is strong and they will not allow to demolish it.
ते म्हणतात मार्केट 2 वर्सांनी व 3 वर्सांनी परत जातले, पण मागीर आमी इतल्या वर्सांनी कितें करचें? आमी हे फुलाचे मार्केट मोडून दिवपाचें ना. आमचे स्ट्रक्चर स्ट्रॉंग आहा.
हे आमकां मोडलेलें नाका. आमकां आहा तशें खंयच जाय, पूण रेनोवेशन करा तुमी, पूण मोडलेलें नाका.
आमकां नाका न्ही मोडलेलें. आमचे काय बरें घट आहा मरे. पयलींचेच ते कामां लोकांचे केले ते सगळे गळटा मरे. आमचे आनी कितें करतले ते कळना तुमकां.
नुस्त्याचें मार्केट सुद्दां नवें बांदलां तें आतां पावता, म्हळ्यार आमचे हाका अजून खिळो लागना. हांगा खिळो लागलो कॅलेंडर जालो सुद्दां लागना.
न्हू काणकोण वच, हे मार्केट बांदलेलो थंय कुडके पडटा. तशें मडगांव मार्केट बांदलें थंय कुडके पडटा. हे बांदून सुद्दां तेच दिवस करतले.
मार्केट मोडल्या उपरांत आमी खंय वचोन हें करपाचें, कशें पोट भरपाचें आमी. हे मार्केट आमी ह्या धंद्याचेर आमचें पोट चलयता.
50 वर्सां जालीं कितेंच जावना मार्केटाक.
आमकां हे मार्केट हांगासर कोणाकूच गोडकारांक मोडलेलें नाका. कित्याक मार्केटाक कांयच जावना. आमी फाटीं फॅन घालताल्यो तेन्ना ड्रील मशीन बत्यान लागनासलें.
आनी मोड घट आहा न्हू हे मोडून दुसरे अशें कांयच जायना. इतके बरे घट आहा हे.
Mapsa Municipality Chairperson Sandeep Falari has assured that each and every stakeholder will be taken into consideration before going ahead with demolition. But he admits that the demolition is a part of their master plan.
ते आसा आनी ते एक शेड आसा 1000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जाग्याचेर. खंयचीच गोष्ट हो जो प्रकल्प आसा हितून जेन्ना आमी फुडें सरतले तेन्ना तुमकां विश्वासात घेवनूच आमी फुडें सरतले. डेली वेंडर्स जे भितून आपले पोट भरतात आणि जे लेसीज आसा म्हणजे दुकानदार हांकां विश्वासान घेवनूच.
The question that the vendors are asking is very pertinent. Why only this building? Omkar Falari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.